Hello, girls and guys, babies and babas. If you literally want to start your English speaking journey from today, then you must have to listen to me because I'm going to tell you the basic thing that is actually required for the spoken language, which is the practice on the common questions and answers. You have to practice on these common question and answers as much as you can if you literally want to start your speaking journey. This series focuses on the daily use conversations in different scenarios. We'll be having at least 10 questions for each segment. So stay with us till the end.
What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Sadiq.
How old are you? What's your age?
I'm 28 years old. I'm 28. My age is 28.
Where are you from?
I am from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. I belong to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. I come from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan.
What do you do?
I am a student. I'm a teacher. I am a worker.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married. I have 3 kids. No, I'm single.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children. I don't have any children.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have 5 siblings. No, I am an only child.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. I really like blue color.
What's your favorite food?
I love chicken kadai.
What's your favorite drink?
I'm from Pakistan. My favorite drink is tea.
Daily routine questions and answers.
Now we're going to have at least 10 questions on the daily routine.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do then?
I brush my teeth and take shower.
Do you have breakfast?
Yes, I do. No, I skip the breakfast.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m. I go to work at 9 o'clock.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus. I go to work by car. I walk to my office on foot.
What do you do in afternoon?
I have my lunch and relax.
What time do you have your dinner?
I have dinner at 7 p.m.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening. No, I don't watch TV in the evening.
What time do you go to sleep?
I hit the sack at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I do sleep well. So these were some of the common questions and answers.
Subscribe us for part 2.